This is a case study of a Mitsubishi Smart Multi-Hyper Heat Pump System installation in Springfield, Massachusetts by Girard Heating and Air Conditioning. Amber M., a homeowner in East Springfield, Massachusetts, was ready to replace her outdated oil-fired steam boiler. She wanted a modern, all-electric solution to improve comfort and qualify for state and federal energy rebates. Her goals included resolving inconsistent temperatures throughout the home, especially in the primary bedroom above the garage, and adding air conditioning where there previously was none. The challenge: 1. Cold temperatures in the primary bedroom located above the garage. 2. Transitioning from oil heat to an efficient, reliable electric system. 3. Meeting Mass Save energy standards to qualify for the $10,000 rebate. 4. Introducing whole home air conditioning without major disruption. The solution? 1. Installed a Mitsubishi Smart Multi-Hyper Heat Pump System with a mix of ducted, floor-mounted, and high-wall indoor units to precisely target each zone. 2. Engineered the system to meet Mass Save and federal tax credit criteria, qualifying for a $10,000 rebate and a $2,000 federal credit. 3. Designed 5 independently controlled zones to correct temperature imbalances across the home. 4. Added quiet, energy-efficient cooling and heating throughout the home, including the previously unconditioned basement. The benefits? The new Mitsubishi system delivers consistent comfort across all floors, significantly lowers operating costs compared to oil, and eliminates the need for fuel deliveries. Amber now enjoys zone-by-zone temperature control with 5 thermostats, greater year-round comfort, and full eligibility for rebates. The system is covered by a 12-year manufacturer warranty and a 2-year labor warranty from Girard Heating and Air Conditioning. Summary of a successful Springfield HVAC conversion? This homeowner wanted comfort, efficiency, and rebates, and we hit the bullseye. The system we installed not only eliminated the need for oil, but also brought balanced temperatures and real energy savings throughout the home. Team at Girard Heating and Air Conditioning.